this is Mr. J. Listen, what we're going to do, I have these two equations, these two systems, and I'm going to show you how to solve systems not by graphing, but by using a method called substitution. Now, in substitution, what we're going to do is we are going to take one of these equations and substitute it in the other. Now, this is a simple one because what we already have is we already have the variable by itself. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this top system and I'm going to plug this value that I have for y into the bottom system. What it does is I already eliminate a variable and I'm just going to have one variable to solve for. So I'm going to take 2x plus 1 and I'm going to plug it in to y. This creates a new equation or a new system. 2x plus 1 equals 3x minus 5. Now, you will recognize this because this is now what we've done with the equation with the variable on both sides. Now, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, now this will go away, so I'm going to add 5. That will go away, so I have x equals 6. Now normally in a problem I'm done, but I need to plug this back in, so I'm going to plug it into either system. So I'll plug it in here. The 6 goes in for the x, so y equals 2 times 6 plus 1. So that's going to be y equals 13. Now to check it, I'm going to plug it in here, okay? So I'm going to say y is 13. Does that equal 3 times 6 minus 5? Well, 13, does that equal 18 minus 5? 13 equals 13. You checked it, and you can say the answer is 6 and 13. Now again, it's an ordered pair. Now, what we're going to do next is I have another problem, only this one is not the same. But so here's what we have. We now have one. This one is in standard form, but this one already has the variable isolated. There are so many different combinations of this. The substitution, what we're going to do now is we're going to say, okay, since y is already by itself, and it could be y or x, we can say, okay, we're going to take this part of this system and plug it in to that y. Now, I have x plus 3. Now, everything that's in here goes into y. So I open up a parentheses and I do that. Now, distributive property says I will distribute. Okay, so I have x plus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, I'm going to combine like terms. So x plus negative 6x is negative 5x plus 3 equals 8. Now, I'm going to subtract 3. And that gives me negative 5x equals 5. Divide by negative 5. And x equals negative 1. Okay? Now, take negative 1, plug it in here. Okay? So I say y equals negative 2 times negative 1 plus 1. So the opposite, negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. So 2 plus 1. So y equals 3. Now plug it in here. So I go negative 1 plus 3 times 3. So negative 1 plus 9. So negative 1 plus 9 is 8. So 8 equals 8. So this is Mr. J. Good mathing with you. Got to go to the door. If you like what you saw, do me a favor. Click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.
Yo, dude, he forgot to erase the board. Yo, man. Wow. No matter where you go, math is there. Catch you later, algebros.